Alright, so we have that like that. I'm trying to show y'all that little black piece. And then screw. It's a little uneven. Screw it on. Like so. And then it's supposed to be this way though. They get their food out of there. So now we're gonna make the rest of these holes and see what happens. Want to take this one out just in case. I don't want to mess it up. Alright, next one. Oh my god, look, it's stuck right there. Oh, I was on the floor. Duh. This fell off somehow. Yeah, I hear you. Okay, now we got two. I do feel like they should have been spaced out, but definitely is uneven, but